Yeah.
Same one like yesterday?
Oh, yeah. Look. And
No, not here.
one guy here. Oh. Yeah. Never mind.
Yeah.
Never mind. Never mind.
Hey?
Never mind.
Mine.
Mine.
Do you want to get one? Like yesterday?
Yeah.
So we get the cake from here
Me.
and the tea from there. Okay, let's go. I'll pay for it, come on.
It's mine.
Okay.
No, it's mine.
I'll get mine then.
Okay, no. Okay, no. Okay. You get no, you get mine. You get no, you get mine. Yeah. Yeah. There's no, that's mine. There's no, that's mine.
Yeah.
There's no, I've got mine. There's one right. That's fine. No. No fun to take. Yeah.
You gonna do the self-checkout?
That's the gas, yeah. We're going to
The other one.
no, get mine. It's mine. It's mine. Oh. That's not powerful. Doesn't smell like okay. I'm going to south to get it out. I'm going to south to go. That's all.
Do that one.
Why here? Okay. No, perfect in the middle.
Wait a minute, let me pay for mine first.
No, perfect in mine. After. No, perfect in me after. No, perfect in me after.
Yeah, okay.
Can I come near private? Can I come near private for coming? Yes, no. Can I come near private? Can I come near private? My take it into the into touch one. Oh. Thank you. I'm going to come in. Finish it, right? And action.
Action. Right, scan it. So you have to put it down. That's it. Now you have to pay.
Okay. Take out.
Yeah.
No glass?
No bags. No. Let me just give you the card, the money. No, you have to keep yourself.
Oh,
that's the card. Oops. You have to scan here your next card. There we go.
Cash?
Cash, yeah.
That's cash.
Here, put it in.
Go. Okay. Okay. That's going to change. Ah, yes. Go, nothing change.
Where's the receipt? Oh,
God.
Lucy!
Don't take it off.
Where's the money now?
It's not going for.
You're for the money.
Go. Right here. Oh.
You're dropping all the monies.
Oh my God.
Look for the other one. There's somewhere there.
Right. Oh, right here. Ah, yeah.
Oh, is it there?
Ow. Okay. Oh. Right. Oh. That's nice.
Okay, cool.
Cool. Okay, never mind.
Anyway, it doesn't matter. It makes no difference. You see, they're both the same.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, no, that's mine.
Yeah, take that one. It doesn't matter, you see.
It's mine. It's mine. It has no cost of mine. Bye.
Alright.
Right, let's go. Oh, okay. And so, something like that. And then just my pickles and top sugar.
A large one.
Large one.
Yes, please.
Okay. Thank you.
How many do you get today? And are you still doing a hunter's chicken? I'll have a hunter's chicken, please.
Anything else?
Yeah, a minute. What are you having?
I'll have cheeseburger, please.
I'll just check we've got some.
Yeah.
And then top sugar.
I'll have the same thing, chicken.
Then top.
There's soft drink and
There's the
And
teapot. Is there any teapots in there or not? No.
Where's the teapot?
Teapots.
Excuse me? Hello? Where's teapot?
How much is on that?
Where's teapot? That's an increase after.
that is 12.67. It's £12.50 on
Right, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
11.70 roughly.
So it's 24,
11.70.
11.70 per pound. Right. Thank you.
Can my car sit now? Yeah. Hello?
We've just had the last
Where's the teapot? Where's the teapot? Where's the teapot?
Chips, what do they come with? Mayo and...
Where's the teapot? Where's the teapot?
Anything else?
Where's the teapot? Where's the teapot? Okay. Where's the teapot?
1 second, Lucy.
Okay, now.
£1.40. Do you have an extra?
Yeah.
Come in.
That's mine.
Come in. So. Come in.
Right, now, she wants a teapot, please.
I'll just go see if you've got anything in mind.
Okay. Where's the teapot?
The tea bags are here.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Okay,
Hang on, she's bringing you a teapot. Look.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go. Can you get my phone?
Oh, yeah.
Let's get my phone.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. That's not done. That's not done.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, I can make my phone.
Give you £1 back on the price, please. And I need the receipt as well.
Thank you very much.
Let's put my phone. Here's my tea. Here's my tea.
Don't get the sweetener first.
Yeah,
And a
that's good.
spoon. Teaspoon and another spoon.
That's good.
Sweetener and 2 spoons.
Two creams, yes. One cream and 6 creams and no cream for my cup of tea. That's more cream. Ah, yes. One thing else is summer. Thank you. Okay.
Ready? But put the camera there on the tray and then you can go.
Okay. Come on to try. Go.
Okay?
Okay, enjoy. Okay. Thank you, Fiona. Thank you.
Do you want this one? And we just take the 3 off it.
It's fine. It's fine. Let's go. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. I'm going to change it. I'm going to change it. I'm going to change it. Quick. Stop. Okay. Yeah. Let's go to the camera all crossing. Let's go to the camera all crossing.
Okay?
And I'll set to 2 meters or so. And I'll set to 2 meters or so.
Okay.
Okay. So, inside isn't technically enough, but inside is mine. No. Okay, I'm going to go off now. That's me, I'm going off. No.
Are you gonna save some for later?
On the half, on the
You can
half.
take it home and have it after dinner.
Take it home? Yeah, and then take it home for me. I'm gonna inside now or later. Okay. So, inside into kitchen now.
You didn't take milk.
Huh?
You have to go and get the milk. You didn't get milk.
I can milk, okay. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry, I can milk, okay. I can milk, okay. Okay, you can milk me. You can milk me. Okay. Okay.
Take milk.
Milk. Okay.
Oh my God, what are you doing in there, Lucy?
I'm trying to make. That's okay. You're taking it with me, okay. That's nice, it's shame. But it's shame, you know, it's not for me. One's not for me, that one. I'm doing that. I'm doing that. Okay. Okay. Inside into the question tonight, inside into mine.
Okay.
Okay. Half or half of it. Half or half. Okay?
Half, Lucy, half. Better to half.
And then I'm picking up. I'm picking up. Okay. Okay, so. Okay. What?
I got
Hello.
bees.
Hello.
Take your number, lovely. Thank you.
Okay, enjoy. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy.
Thank you.
Okay, see. And I'm going to go see for lunch from next time. Good to know. Good to know. And I'm going to see for lunch from next time.
Your next card.
Okay, and I'm going to see for lunch from next time. And I'm going to see for lunch from next time.
I don't know, Lucy.
And I'm going to see next time. And I'm going to see. And I'm going to see. And I'm going to see
Yeah?
next time.
Yeah, you
Next
did
time.
it.
And I'm going to see for next time. Oh no, I'm sorry. Okay. And then take out the house from me for later. Oh, I'm going to too. I'm going to take the box now. I'm going to take the for later. What I'm taking the house.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to have it from later. Don't now, later. Oh. Go and close what? And go and close what now?
It's okay, that. That's fine, Lucy.
Okay. Don't stop. Don't attack it. I don't take home for me. No, I don't take home for me. Can I take it home? No, no.
Yes, of course you can. You can take it home.
Now, later. Can I have my key? No, let's get my key.
Yeah?
Okay. Can I have my key? Go. Cut there. And my key home. And quite in now, quite in. Whoa! Wow!
What do you want?
What do you want? Wow! Okay. Did you know?
Yeah?
And quite my see from next time. And quite my see next time. Did you know?
Yeah.
And quite my see from me for next time.
Your next card.
Next time.
It's in the purse.
And then quite my see from me next time.
Next time.
And then quite my see. And then quite my see.
Uh-huh.
And then quite my see for you.
Okay.
And then quite my see for next time.
Mm-hmm.
With my shit, okay? Okay, go. Hundred next time. Hundred next time. Hundred again next time. From my message here and Mijn shit is zo. Cheers, vind je nog? Maar een sap. Als een
Cheers.
Oké. Cheers. Sorry. Dan kijk je naar aan kan ik ook weer terug maar. Dan kijk je naar aan kan ik ook weer terug maar.
Good customer.
Terug maar.
Lucy is a good customer.
Coconut. Zo. Want je gaat sharen, maar kijk niet meer aan. Kijk je nog?
Yeah.
Want je gaat sharen, maar kijk. Ken je?
You're welcome.
Want je gaat sharen, maar kijk.
You're welcome.
Zo. Kijk over in zijn, in je wat. En I will take my thing and have it. And the next one. What? And get to my house. Then you go. That's the local song. That's the local song. Thank you. Oh, no, second second bit. Okay. Turn it mine. Okay. Okay, go ahead. I handed someone something after that. And go. We're going to home. Into my house. I can hear my microphone. I can hear my iPhone from me. Just not mine. Mine kids okay, can call me. No. Mine kids okay, can call me. So last birthday, mine and I'm in it. Okay. But he's not congratulating me. Time of mine, uncle I've grown and wanted to be and my guy and grand. Can I can and I found it last year from the alcohol of alcohol. One time I didn't think I need to get from something. Okay, from something. Go. Hopefully, I'll come. What's new?
Other than me.
One thing. I found something inside my associate, my ship, and no cake. And no, one continue for you, cricket cup. Okay. And can't continue back. And then got mine, and still continue. Okay. But, think you know?
Yeah.
I don't want this one so on Christmas. Okay, right? I don't want this one so on Christmas. Right?
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
And then why not this one so on Christmas. Did you know? Did you know?
Yeah.
Oh, this is why this one so on Christmas. Did you know?
Yeah.
And this why this one so on Christmas. Did you know? Did you know? Did you know? Did me? And this is why this one so on Christmas. Fine, yeah. No, can me?
Yeah, Lucy.
I don't want I'm losing fine. I'm going to take some back now, right?
But next time, there's no money this
I'm
time.
going next time.
Okay?
If you can grant you can forward. So, anyway. One time congrats again. One time congrats again. One time congrats. One
I
time
don't know.
then next again? No. I'm not going to do like this, okay? I'm just okay? Can I see on train here? Sorry. Can I watch the train right here into the new outside and then to watch the
Have your
train.
tea. Lucy?
Yeah?
Lucy, come down and have your tea.
Okay. And then to watch the train outside Market Didcot Food Coal.
Okay.
We're going to go. And then to watch the train right here
Yeah, that's fine. You can do
into
that.
outside the new
That's okay. We can do
and
that, Lucy.
into outside and the next year. The training what until train like why. I can tell you what I can right now. Okay. Share from time. Share with you. Thank you that.
Enjoy your tea.
Thank you. Share. Enjoy. Welcome to that I'm going to fantastic customer. Welcome to that I'm going to fantastic good customer for alcohol before in my whole life. Okay. I can get my get you. Not that enough. Fantastic. Okay. I'm not going to sit down. Yeah, go. Okay. Oh, I'm finished.
Okay, now relax for a minute.
Yeah.
Take your camera
My camera.
and you can film.
My camera. I'm filming again. Yeah, sure, man. Okay. And the camera got my chin to you to take it home from me. My chin, and then get myself my chin, pressure for me to come. That's why I mean, my chin to Wow. Look, I just done my talk. I just done my next company. I just done my next company of this Ghana. Did you know? I done my next. Check, I finished. Okay. So, okay. There's a tank behind mine. Okay. And kind of try and switch on into kitchen one here. Okay. Well, okay. Alright, no me. I'm finished now. Okay. kind of okay. Okay, thank you. Bye. Bye, thank you. Bye. Thank you for shipping and sending. Sending. Miss far for that. Okay. I'm going up. I'm going up. Thank you for shipping and sending. Sending. Miss far for that. Why, I have to go. Why,
Come on, Dobby.
why? Okay, so now. Okay, so now. Why,
You got that.
okay, now come on, now come on, now come on. Now come in. Now come in.
Are we going to put the cakes in the cut and you're going to fill some trays?
I can come and take okay.
Lucy, this way. Where are you going?
I didn't get it off my phone. Okay. No, I'm still talking. Back up. One. That's me, it's my case. Okay. That's me, it's my case. Fine. It's my chocolate pie cake for me today. And take this. Yeah. I've been old. There's one, Didcot, or etc. To be open enough, something in the to be open enough, something in 2005, to be open the first one of Didcot, or etc. It's to be segment and all the other shops there. Okay, okay. Stay open about last 14 years ago in 2005 with me, Carol and Jenny and Carol, old America car, to be national driveway on his concept. The right husband. He's done all his Mexico. Not going to say it's going to his Mexico. It's not Mexico, if I say. It's not Mexico, it's an inside car. From the right husband on his license to call his car on his life. No matter what. Okay, sorry. Okay, and so I implemented from today, I think this magnetic enough with a car. Okay, so I get from monthly to pay from my cash to go to my account to the January and just done check out mission. Okay, so what's up? And so I implement chocolate sample came from the particular something that I think I shall color particular and color and enjoy Okay. I'm finished. Look, I'm finished now. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'll cut.